Hey everybody, Duck Number 8 Wooden Railway here, and today we have not one, not two, but 3 packages. That means we're going to be unboxing 3 DVDs. That means this time 3 things on this checklist are going to be crossed off the list. It's been a while since we did a surprise DVD unboxing video, and I think this is the first time where we had 3 at the same time. But without further ado, let's open them up. We'll start with this yellow one. Came from Munch. What is this? Thomas in Charge. This is the American version, because there's no French on here. Spine and back. This is for the Hit era DVDs though. This and Splish Splash Splosh are the only American styles that I have for DVDs though. The rest of the Hit, well, for the era from seasons 13 to 16, this and Splish Splash Splosh are the only 2 American styles that I have, because the rest of them are in the Canadian version. We open up. There's the disc inside. Oh, what's this? Your order made my day. That's nice. I'll just stick it into the DVD case. And so, yeah. So we have one thing checked off the list. Thomas in Charge. A DVD of 2011. Where is it? There it is. Thomas in Charge. So now the only thing we need left is the Birthday Express. Next, we're going to do this big one right here. Looks like it came from Quebec. I don't know how you pronounce it, because of course I don't speak French. Anyways. We open it up. Looks like we have another one coming out. Let's pull it. Aha! Journey Beyond Sodor. Now we have a movie to check off the list. There's the front, the spine, and the back. Journey Beyond Sodor. I'm going to open it up because it's sealed, so I have to unseal it. I don't know if I'm going to show you again. Front, spine, back. Oh, what's this? There's the disc, by the way. Oh, a pamphlet. Oh, toys that they had for the new characters here. I wish they made Thomas Wooden Railway for them. 2017 was a year to be anxious about with this show. Oh, and pick these. I've got all of them except for Sodor's Legend of the Lost Treasure. Not to mention that's the only movie that I'm missing. So, Journey Beyond Sodor, the movie of 2017, is crossed off the list right here. So the only movie we need left is Sodor's Legend of the Lost Treasure, the movie of 2015. And then this black package right here. What would this be? Aha. This is 10 Years of Thomas. Oh, I think this is just a little thank you note. I'll put this in the case afterwards, though. So there's the front, the spine, and the back. Oh, it even comes with a pamphlet. Oh, I guess I don't need this. Let's take a little look at the pamphlet. Pamphlet. Pick a story, that kind of stuff. So the DVDs here that I've got are Percy Saves the Day, James Learns a Lesson, Hooray for Thomas, Thomas and the Jet Engine, New Friends for Thomas, Best of Gordon, Thomas's... I actually have all of these, not to mention... Well, except for the early years, because I don't think I would need to collect that, because it's not a DVD case. But not to mention, I've got all of these DVDs. So we'll stick the pamphlet back into the case. And then there's the disc. And then, to conclude the video, we're going to cross 10 Years of Thomas off the list. The DVD of 2005. Oh, the last one of 2005. Good. Now we're all completed with the 2005 DVDs. And thank you for watching the video. Bye.